Hello, you awesome, busy professionals and entrepreneurs. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question of what does first, second, and third degree connection on LinkedIn mean? So let's just jump into it. See, your network is made up of your first degree, second degree, and third degree connections and fellow members of your LinkedIn groups. Now, when it comes to the first degree connections, these are people you are directly connected to because you've accepted their invitation to connect or they have accepted your invitation. Now, you can contact them by sending a message on LinkedIn. They are, for example, on my profile, if I click here my network, I'll see all of the first degree connections that I am connected with here in connections. Alright, so these are all the people that are my first degree connections, almost 10,000 of them. And as you can see here, I can message any of them since they are my first degree connections. Now you can do that even if you don't have a premium LinkedIn account. If they're your first degree connections, you can message them directly. So on LinkedIn, people in your network are called connections. Your network is made up of your first degree, second degree, third degree connections and fellow members in your LinkedIn groups. So first degree are people who are directly connected to you. And then second degree are people who are connected to you, your first degree connections. You'll see a second degree icon next to their name in search results and on their profile. So you can send them an invitation by clicking connect or contacting them through an email or message. Now let's see how does it look like. Now, for example, if you click on the icon here on the home page of your LinkedIn profile, and then in the search bar type in any name. So, for example, I've typed in Jim. So the search results that you will get are first your first degree connections by that name. Just one second, let me get back to it. Alright, so I typed in Jim and then these are the results that I got. So you can see here that this is my first degree connection, and then this is also first degree. So LinkedIn will list all my first degree connections on the first page. So you can see here all first degree, then we go to the other page, then again all first degree connections by that name. And then it starts with second degree connections. So see the difference by the name. Now you have here first degree connection and you have here second degree connection. And if it's third degree connection, there'll be a sign here where it's written that it's your third degree connection. So this is one way to reach your second degree connections. Now the other way is if you type in people here, people, and then choose from people connections. See in this filter messages you can choose connections. Now you can choose first, second, or third degree connections. If you click on first degree connections, you will be showing people who are your first degree connections. See, and then if you type in here, let's say you're interested in people who are your third degree connections, and you can also filter by the companies. Let's say people who are working for Procter & Gamble who are in my third degree who are my third degree connections. So these are the people who are connected to my first degree connections, and then there is somebody in their second degree connection circle, and then somebody on the third degree connection circle. So see why it's relevant for the why it's relevant to expand your network on LinkedIn. Basically, you can be just a connection away from your ideal client or from your ideal job or from an ideal business partner. You never know. Alright, so now when you click on your on the icon My Network and on your connections, you can see here an option Search with Filters. You can access the filters in this way as well, and then you can see your connections, first degree connections here. And now if you click here on the second, it will show only second degree connections, so connections of your connections. And see here I have 4.6 million results of my second degree connections. See how powerful that is? It's really powerful. And the point is that people will connect with you more easily, if you already have a connection in common. Alright, so let's check any of these connections. Now these are my second degree connections, like for example, you can see it here. Let's check any of these profiles. So how to connect with them? Just click connect here. If you are connecting from your PC, click connect, and then you'll have an option to add a personalized message, add a note, and then you can type in here what's the reason why you would like to connect with this person, what you have in common, or how you could potentially contribute from knowing each other, how you could potentially collaborate with each other, or how you are looking forward to engaging in their LinkedIn posts and similar. Now I'm not going to do that, but pay attention please. If you are connecting from your mobile device, then clicking only connect button will just send a request without a note. So this is not something that I recommend, because you'll have a higher return, you'll have a higher success rate and of the connection request acceptance if you send a personalized note. So if you are sending a request from your mobile device, then if you just click on connect, it will automatically just send connection request without a note. You will actually need to go to this option here, more, and then you will choose among the options. Here you cannot see that, but you'll have on mobile device an option here which says add a note, and then you can personalize your connection request, which is much better. Okay, now let's take a look at the third degree connections. So, and you choose here connections and third degree connections, apply. Alright, so third degree connections. So your third degree connections are people who are connected to your second degree connections. You'll see third degree icon next to their name, see here in the search results on their profile. If their full first and last names are displayed, you can send them an invitation by clicking connect. So that would basically mean, as I told you already a few minutes ago, you click on their profile and then you go to the connect button, or you can simply connect from here. But if you just click on connect, it might not send a connection request with the personalized message. So it's better to go to their profile, click on the profile, and then click on connect and add a personalized message. So if their full name and last name are displayed, you can send them an invitation by clicking connect, and if only first letter of their last name is displayed, clicking connect isn't an option, but you can connect with them through an email. Alright, now let's go to the LinkedIn groups. Go back to your profile. Actually, click here on the home page and then just scroll a little bit down, and then you'll see here groups, and then expand, and you just let's say digital marketing, learn more. All right, so on the right hand side here you'll be able to see the connections over there, and then you can click on see all, and you'll be able to see all the connections here in the group. Or for example, this group, it has 2 million members. So that means that I can basically message all of these 2 million members here. See? 2 million members. So being a member of the group allows you to message all the members of that group for free, even if you don't have a LinkedIn Premium account. See, if I choose any of these people here, I can just simply message them. See? You are both members of the group. See? That gives us a possibility to message them. And finally, out of network are LinkedIn members who fall outside the categories that we have just mentioned, and you can contact them through an email. I hope that you have found the content of this video useful. If you would like to see similar content like this one, please comment below so that I know what's the topic that you are interested in related to the personal branding, digital marketing, and LinkedIn, so that I can create other videos of your interest. Also, please feel free to comment below this video with any questions that you might have. I'll be more than glad to answer that. Again, if you like this video, please comment below, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to get notified about the other videos that I'll be uploading very soon. Also, feel free to check out the other videos that I've created for you here. 5 tips for building a personal brand, authenticity in personal branding, free not so known facts about myself, and I would really love to see your comments below this video here about free not so known facts about yourself, or how to create LinkedIn banner, how to cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription, how to enable your comments on YouTube channel, LinkedIn secrets, how to stop sending clients to your competitors, how to create a group on LinkedIn, and many more. So again, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button and that ring bell button to get notified about my future videos. Thank you for your attention. Stay blessed.